Hello everyone. Which of the following are true for all real values of x? A sine pi over 2 plus x is equal to cosine pi over 2 minus x. B 2 plus 2 sine x minus cosine square x is greater than or equal to 0. C sine x plus 3 pi over 2 is equal to cosine pi minus x. And d sine x times cosine x is less than or equal to 1 over 4. Let's first remember the trigonometric rule. Sine a minus plus b is equal to sine a times cosine b, again minus plus cosine a times sine b, and cosine a minus plus b is equal to cosine a times cosine b plus minus sine a times sine b. Now let's check the first expression or first equation. That implies that sine pi over 2 times cosine x and plus cosine pi over 2 times sine x, which is equal to, consider this term, cosine pi over 2 times cosine x plus sine pi over 2 times sine x. Let me change the color. We know that sine pi over 2 is 1 and cosine pi over 2 is 0. Again, cosine pi over 2 is 0 and sine pi over 2 is 1. Then the remainings are, for the first left hand side, cosine x is equal to sine x. This is not correct. Cosine x cannot be equal to sine x. Okay, let me erase this part. And then let's say this is not correct. And let's continue with the second expression. It implies that 2 plus 2 sine x. We know that sine square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. That means sine square x minus 1 is equal to minus cosine square x. If we substitute sine square x minus 1 instead of minus cosine square x, then it will be plus sine square x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Then if you continue to simplify the equation, sine square x plus 2 sine x, plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1, plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Let me raise this part. As you know, this part is sine x plus 1 square, which is greater than or equal to 0 always. That means the second equation or the second expression is correct. A is false and B is correct. This is always greater than or equal to 0. And let me erase this part. Let's continue with the choice C. Sine x times cosine 3 pi over 2 plus cosine x times sine 3 pi over 2 is equal to, let's expand this part, cosine pi times cosine x plus, because it's pi minus x, so this must be plus sine pi times sine x. We know that cosine 3 pi over 2, cosine 3 pi over 2 is 0. And sine 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. And cosine pi is negative 1. And sine pi is 0. That means sine x minus cosine x is equal to minus cosine x plus 0. Excuse me, this part is wrong. Let me correct it. It is 0 minus cosine x, which is equal to minus cosine x plus 0. That means cosine x is equal to cosine x, which is correct. So the option C is correct also. And let's check the last option or last choice. Erase this part, which implies that if you multiply both sides by 2 times sine x times cosine x is less than or equal to 1 over 2, which implies that sine 2x is less than or equal to 1 over 2. Let's check that if x is equal to pi over 4, then sine 2x is equal to sine 2 2 pi over 4 is equal to sine pi over 2, which is equal to 1. This is not less than or equal to 1 over 2. So, option D is wrong, not true. This is false. A is false, B is true, C is true, and D is false. I hope it's clear. Thank you very much.